Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Bharati. I'm Bhavna Patidar here, and as you all know that I have started a video series on English literature for your coming NTA NET exam, and in this series I have already completed many videos, and if you have not seen those videos then please first see those videos. And now let's start the video of the day. But before beginning this video, do share, like and subscribe our channel. And also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest video as soon as possible. So friends, we have started studying John Dryden in our previous video. In this video, we will be doing some important dramas written by John Dryden. So let's see first drama written by John Dryden, and that is White Gallant. White Gallant is a drama written by John Dryden, and it is restoration comedy. So the name is White Gallant and it is restoration comedy. And White Gallant was written in preface, first attempt in dramatic poetry. So this type of drama was first attempt done by John Dryden, and this drama was written in preface. Play's opening paraphrase, pair of astrologers talking about fortune of the play. So there is a pair of astrologers, they are talking about the fortune of the play. Which play? That is White Gallant. Like how it will be when it will be performed on stage. So the very first drama written by John Dryden is White Gallant. Now the second most important drama written by John Dryden is Indian Queen. Its name is Indian Queen, which is related to India. So we should know that John Dryden was influenced by India in some way. Due to its success, he also wrote sequel, that is Indian Emperor. So first he wrote Indian Queen, and due to its success of this drama, John Dryden has also written its sequel, and that is Indian Emperor. Do remember the name of this sequel. And this is also Heroic Tragedy written by John Dryden, that is Indian Queen. Indian Queen was written in collaboration with his brother-in-law, that is Robert Herold. Robert Herold was the brother-in-law of John Dryden, and they both wrote this drama, that is Indian Queen. In November 2016, there was a question in NTA NET exam, and the question is Indian Queen, Heroic Tragedy in rhymed couplet was written by. So I will suggest you to see the complete question by yourself because I have not written the complete question here. So the question is Indian Queen Heroic Tragedy in rhymed couplet was written by. So the correct answer will be John Dryden from given four options. Again, now we will move to the third drama written by John Dryden. So it is Tempest. The Tempest was written by William Shakespeare, but only Tempest was written by John Dryden. So do remember this fact. And this drama Tempest was also written in collaboration with William Davenant. We have already seen who was William Davenant, and with William Davenant, John Dryden wrote this drama Tempest. These are the minor drama, but do remember its titles and some very important facts about this. Now the fourth drama written by John Dryden is State of Innocence. So the name is State of Innocence, and it is musical adaptation of Paradise Lost by John Milton. We know very well that Paradise Lost is written by John Milton, but John Dryden adopted it in a musical way and written Paradise Lost in a musical way. So State of Innocence is musical adaptation of Paradise Lost written by John Milton. Again, State of Innocence is a drama and written in heroic couplet. Okay, so we have seen that Indian Queen. Okay, Indian Queen was written in was a heroic tragedy. Now, State of Innocence is a heroic couplet used in it. Dryden was admirer of Milton while Milton was against restoration of monarch. This statement is very important because Dryden here is admiring John Milton, but Milton was against restoration of monarchy. We know that John Dryden has changed his side to monarchy. When Charles II restored his kingdom in England, at that time John Dryden also changed his side to Charles II. And John Milton, he was a the supporter of parliamentary form of the government. So Milton was very much against about restoration of monarch, but Dryden was in the support of restoration of monarchy in England. In September 2013, there was a question asked in NTA NET exam, and it says Dryden's dramatization of Paradise Lost is entitled as Dryden's dramatization of Paradise Lost is entitled as. So the name was asked in this question, and the correct answer will be State of Innocence from given four options. The next drama written by John Dryden is Aurangzeb. So again, it is related to India, and this is restoration drama. Okay, Aurangzeb written by John Dryden is restoration drama. Based on Mughal Emperor of India, we know that John Dryden was having connection with India. He had also written a drama named Indian Queen. Then the sequel of that drama, that is Indian Emperor, and now the third one. The third drama written by John Dryden, that is Aurangzeb, related to India. Okay, so this Aurangzeb was based on Mughal Emperor of India, and we know very well Aurangzeb and its history. Also features Shah Jahan in it, so there was mention of Shah Jahan in this drama. Now the next drama written by John Dryden is All for Love. So the name of the drama is All for Love, and do remember the subtitle of the drama, that is World Well Lost. So World Well Lost is the subtitle for the drama All for Love, and it is imitation of Shakespeare's Antony and Cleopatra. So from The Tempest, written by William Shakespeare, John Dryden adopted Tempest. Okay. Now here in All for Love, John Dryden imitated Shakespeare's Antony and Cleopatra. So Antony and Cleopatra was written by William Shakespeare. We know very well that fact. And here All for Love, or we can say World Well Lost, was imitation of Antony and Cleopatra. Last hours of life of Antony and Cleopatra. So John Dryden had described last hours of life of Antony and Cleopatra in the drama All for Love. And again in December 2004, there was a question in NTA NET exam, and the question was Dryden's All for Love is adaptation of. So we have already seen that it was adaptation of William Shakespeare's Antony and Cleopatra. Again in 2013, there was a question from the same dramas, that is John Dryden in All for Love takes a story from Shakespeare. So what will be the correct answer? The complete question is not written here. So again I will recommend you to visit this question by yourself, and the correct answer of this question will be Antony and Cleopatra. Now the seventh drama written by John Dryden is Oedipus. So Oedipus is again a heroic drama written by John Dryden, and this drama is adaptation of Sophocles. Sophocles, that is Oedipus Rex. So Oedipus Rex was written by Sophocles, but Oedipus, only Oedipus, was written by John Dryden as a heroic drama. Okay, and this Oedipus drama was also written in collaboration, and John Dryden was collaborated with John Dryden and Nathaniel Lee. So do remember with whom at different times John Dryden collaborated with and written which drama. So okay, so with Nathaniel Lee, John Dryden collaborated and written the drama Oedipus. So friends, we have seen some very important dramas written by John Dryden in this video. From next video onwards, we will be seeing some very important political poems written by John Dryden. Till then, keep visiting Knowledge Bharati, and thank you very much.